Another day, another massive OpenClaw update. Let's get into it. Let's just start off with a banger. GPT 5.5 officially inside of OpenClaw. I've been playing with it for the last 24 hours, and I must say I am extremely impressed by what they did with 5.5. I put it up against Opus 4.7, and they are very similar. Opus 4.7 is still better, but it's a lot more expensive. So go have a play with 5.5, but of course now your OpenClaw can use it internally. This next one is a huge one for anything when it comes to content creation. Image gen and editing is now under the Codex OAuth plus OpenRouter. So you no longer have to use your API keys to create images inside of OpenClaw. You could actually use the dedicated Codex OAuth system, just like you use to use OpenClaw. You could actually do the same now with images and editing your images. This is a huge one. Cost savings, and social media is about to explode with free OpenAI images. And of course, we're talking about Image Gen version 2, which is crazy. And our good old OpenRouter, this just means that you could get access to many more models much easier directly inside of OpenClaw. And set up different brains for different tasks, because not everything needs the most powerful LLMs. And you shouldn't actually do this. And of course, if you guys want to set up OpenClaw, check my profile. We got a whole masterclass step-by-step for you. This next one, forked context subagents. Sounds nerdy, sounds techie, but it's actually quite simple. And probably the biggest thing on this list, because what now OpenClaw can do is it could actually create subagents for you to do different tasks. Before, you had to do this all manually. So if you wanted a design subagent and then also an orchestrator and then also an editing agent, you had to set those up individually, and it was quite a big mess. So now it can just automatically spin up all of these subagents easily with all of their own context, all their own user.md, their own soul, and all the good stuff. So now you can have a writing agent, a check errors agent, a coding agent, final output agent, a meditation agent, whatever the hell you want. So this is how you go from an AI assistant with one brain to multiple, and it's very powerful. Next, we got a Telegram, Slack, and WhatsApp polish. This just means everything's gonna run smoother, better, faster. And this one is a little sneaky one right here. This install update fixes. One of the biggest reasons people give up on OpenClaw is because they get stuck. Oh man, I'm trying to install this one skill or this tool and it doesn't work. This actually helps a lot of that. Because now in context, you could just say, hey, I'm trying to install this one thing and it's not working. Can you help me fix it? And of course, we love the good old quote, sharper models, smoother claws. Let's go, baby. And as I mentioned before, if you guys want to learn how to do this the right way, VPS setup, local Mac, Mac Studio, whatever you want, we have a full training right here. Just click in there, check it out. We have 666 people right now building inside of our community using OpenClaw, also vibe coding, building SaaS businesses. It's all in there for you. Would love to have you in there.